ja siis läheme me tegema.
And now at first we are introducing you some ideas, talking a little bit about the past, to give you some ideas how to connect the past and present, and after that we are going to do it. So just a little presentation.
Mina olen Marju Heldemaa Haapsalu Kutsehariduskeskusest ja oleme nagu partnerid ja praegu ma olen õpetaja. Meie õpitoa eesmärk oli teha ehet tekstiilist ja taaskasutusmaterjalidest.
So the goal of our workshop was to make such kind of adornments which have been done from reused materials and from textile materials and inspired from our past adornments.
Different necklaces and brooches.
Erinevad sõled.
Praegu kasutavad õpilased siin aktiivselt viltimistehnikat.
One of the most popular which is used now here is welting.
Siis õmmeldakse ja tikitakse.
Also they are sewing and embroidering.
Ja ka pärleid kasutatakse, pärltikandit.
Lots of beads are used for embroidery. So Marju will not tell you what do you have to do, because everybody has to find the thing that comes from your heart, what you want to do.
Ta on inspireeritud vanast ja kasutatakse ikkagi päris palju ka uusi võtteid või viltimine ei ole Eestile nii väga omadane.
It has been inspired from the past, but nowadays we use lots of new techniques like welting, which was not known in the past, and we can say that we try to reunion with past and present.
Minu hämmastuseks ei olnud kõik viltimisega kokku puutunud, et see on praegu lihtsalt nii popp üle Euroopa.
So as welting is very popular all over Europe, for our surprise, some of our guests haven't done it before and it is their first experience.